Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Amy Renee. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and every Friday. If you've been here before, welcome back. I have a fun one for us today. I'm actually really excited to film this video. I haven't seen anybody do this yet, so I'm hoping that I am the first. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Today, we're gonna be recreating Shane Dawson's iconic IG post from a couple weeks ago. He said it was his last makeup post for months, he promised. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of it here. It looks like in this picture he is using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, which I don't have, but I thought it would be fun to try and recreate this since I haven't seen anybody else do it. And it's actually a really cool look. I have been studying it and looking at it for a little while now, and I'm like, this is actually going to be a lot harder than I expected it to be. Not to like throw shade at Shane, Jesus, I hope that didn't sound shady. But like, it looks like it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. So I am excited. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so like I said, I don't have the Blue Blood palette. So I literally have just like a hodgepodge of palettes next to me, in front of me. I'm going to try and do my best. Obviously, it's not going to look the exact same, but I'm going to try and get it close. So I think I'm gonna start with the eyebrow, the under the eyebrow area, because he's got like this almost like cut crease thing kind of going on, but it's like an under the eyebrow cut crease. Shane's really like coming into the beauty industry, like innovating already. I'm actually really excited that he is going to be trying to be a part of the beauty community. I heard that he's doing maybe like a new series, like the docu-series he does on his channel on the beauty community. I don't know if that was a rumor. I don't know, I think it would be cool. I think now would be the time to do it, especially with all the drama. Oh my God. Y'all, I am exhausted from the drama, like let's be honest. But I would be excited if he did a series. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about Shane Dawson entering the beauty community. I know that he has been involved in his fair share of controversies, but maybe that would make him perfect for the beauty community right now, huh? Right? So I'm gonna start off, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I am just gonna go and trace under the eyebrow. And I'm not gonna set it quite yet. I am for real like impressed AF at this look that he did. Like it kind of looks like, I don't know, it maybe looks like it's not that crazy difficult, but like he's got some sharp lines in there and some nice blending, and it's not gonna be an easy one for me to recreate. I can tell you that right now. Like I'm probably gonna be sitting here for a while. So I have some wet concealer under the brow. I'm nervous to do this. Why am I so nervous? I really don't want to f it up. So I'm gonna go in, let's see, I think I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I think I'm gonna go in with, what color is this? Pool Party, I think the color is. It's like the shimmery blue color in the palette. Here, let me show you guys. It is this one. So I think I'm gonna take that to do the middle portion of the upper eyebrow crease. This is a complicated ass look. Kudos to you, Shane. If you ever watch this video, kudos to you. Also, I love you. Also, I watch all of your series. Also, hi. So we're gonna take Pool Party and I'm gonna pop this in the middle of this eyebrow moment. That's about where he had them. Okay, we're going places. So next thing, I think I'm gonna use the other blue shade, well, other light blue shade in this palette. Jada, I believe it's called. It is this one right next to Pool Party. And I'm gonna take that just to blend out the edges of this, the shimmery blue Pool Party that we just used. By the way, I'm doing this all on like a pointed Sonia Kashuk brush. It's a really small pointed brush. last one. What was I gonna do? Okay, I think I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Jean Michael. I can't say this palette name. I'm gonna try it. No, I'm not. It's the Urban Decay Jean Michael palette. I can't say his last name. I know that's like, I just can't. Okay, so I'm going into the color, I think it might be Untamed. It's kind of rubbed off. I've actually used this color a lot. It's this dark blue color. At the end here, this is, I think, probably the closest thing I have to the dark blue he's got on his eyebrows. I want to see a Shane Dawson makeup tutorial. Give this video a like if you want to see a Shane Dawson makeup tutorial. Even a liking this video won't make it happen. And I think to keep this in like true Shane fashion, I'm only gonna do one eye. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh no, I'm not. I'm gonna keep blending. When in doubt, blend it out. Now the next step is going to be cutting this with some concealer again. So we're gonna be doing this in layers. So the next thing he's got going on his eye is like this white line under this blue area. So I'm gonna carve out where that white line is gonna be. Pray for me, guys, I'm nervous. Okay, so I got that all cut. So, you guys, I'm like so nervous doing this look. I don't even know why. Like, why am I nervous right now? I could literally just scrap this video if it comes out poorly, but I just want to do really well. Ooh, okay. So, next thing is putting that white below. I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm going to take the color Sails, this white one, and go in with, this is a really old angled brush. I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to draw a nice little line under my eyeball. I'm assuming that Shane maybe has a white liner for this, but I don't. I don't have a white liner. I really should get one, but I don't have one. So we're gonna make do. So now I have a line of white underneath that, so let me see what the next step is. Okay, so it looks like he filled in the rest of his lid space with one shimmer color. I think that's what's happening. We're gonna go with that. I think that's what's going on. I hope that's what's going on. Stressed out. Okay, so for the third time, we're gonna cut this white line and make this nice and clean. I'm going in with a MAC concealer, not MAC, Morphe concealer brush. I don't know if I told you guys that the first time. Okay, so I cut that white line and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put concealer over the rest of my eyeball to get it nice and primed for this blue shimmer we're about to put on it. Okay, I am gonna go in with, oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce this either. Seychelles? Going in with the shimmery blue shade from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh, somebody tell me how to say that. I feel like, guys, I promise I'm like actually a smart human being. They just name these such freaking crazy names. Okay, and I'm actually gonna take the brush that it came with and just pack this on all over my eyeball. I don't think he did a shimmer all over his lid. So I'm actually, sorry, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna pack this into the middle of the eye and then put something else on the outside. So it's kind of like a halo-ish thing going on. And then I'm gonna go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I think I'm gonna take that Jada color again and just put that on the outside of my eye and we'll make this a nice halo eye. I think that's probably what he did. Shane, give us a tutorial so we know what we're doing. If you want. This is a little more like green blue than I would like it to be, but we're working with what we got. Okay, so I kind of turned this into like a halo eye-ish thing. I'm gonna pick up more of this color that I can't pronounce, this shimmery blue from my Riviera palette, and I am just going to actually get this a little bit wet and pack it over where I had it before, so it just shines a little more brightly. This is giving me very like editorial mermaid vibes. Okay, this is a little bit darker than his was. I tried Shane. Okay, so now under the eye, he has like this white liner going on, which again, I don't have white liner, so we're gonna go in with concealer and try to recreate what he has going on here. Actually, hold on. Rewind. I'm gonna go in under the eye with this Jada color for my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna smoke this out. So now I got that smoked out, and now I'm gonna go in with concealer and I'm gonna cut a line through this smoked outness where I can put the white. Okay, let me get this really tiny brush clean, and then I'm gonna go over that concealer with the same white, the Sales color from my Riviera palette. I'm gonna hold my breath because I'm still nervous. All right guys, what do you think so far? Okay, this is a little bit more intense I think than his was, a little bit, but I think it's pretty close. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and I will be right back. All right guys, so I popped on some lashes. I put them on both eyes. I kind of like the contrast of like the one done and one not done, plus that's what he had in the picture. And we are staying true to Shane Dawson because I thought it was really cute how he did that. So this is what it looks like right now with the lashes on. I didn't do anything on my lower lashes. I didn't want to cover up the white. I thought it looked really cool. So here's where we are. I feel kind of inspired to like do a little extra to the look. So I thought maybe it would be fun if we did some concealer and put like, I don't know, some like white dots around my eye, you know, to give it like my little twist on it so it's not just, you know, Shane's look, if that makes sense. Like I want to take it and add a little me twist to it, so I think that would be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just taking concealer and I am going to draw little circles. Ew. Let's grab a Sales color and just pop this on the concealer and pray that this looks good. Because if it doesn't, I just ruined the whole look. Like this. Okay, you know what? Maybe what's a better idea is doing blue dots. Let's do blue dots. This white it's just not showing up. So we're gonna improvise like we always do. I'm going to just put more concealer over these. Okay, I'm gonna pick up some of this pigment and lay this down. Oh my God, pray for me guys. Oh, we have a dot. Okay, you know what, cut this, I hate it. Okay guys, I tried to do some like eyeshadow blue dots around my eyes, so I was feeling really inspired, but they got really effed up, and that's why there's this big streak of concealer right there. I'm gonna try it again, and this time I'm gonna get a little smarter, and I'm gonna use my NYX liquid suede lipstick in, what color is this? Jet Set. This is in Jet Set. It's a blue color. So I'm gonna attempt to not completely F up this makeup look and put little blue dots all over my face. I'm also gonna add some gold because I just think that that's really fun on top of some of these little blue dots. Alright guys, so this is the final Shane Dawson Instagram recreation with a little twist of my own to make it original. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I post. And go ahead and follow me on all my other social media profiles. Those will be linked down in the description and also on the end card. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!